Good afternoon, people. The new 4 hour candle is due in 2 minutes. Let's have a look at what liquidity has been swept and taken. We are looking at high time frame 4 hour Bitcoin. We can see that it's come up and swept the liquidity inside the range. So longs are paying at the moment, but is it time to turn around and short? We've got a higher low here. I'd like to see a higher high push up through. That would be fantastic. Next candle would be good too. Got some very bearish numbers here though. We kind of are still in a downtrend, a high time frame downtrend. That's not helping our long decisions, but at the moment, counter trend longs are what's paying. We had a little bit of a shakeout last night with the PPI news. And then a pump wee hours of the morning, which is mid USA session, I guess. And since then, nothing. 1 hour, 10 1 hour candles going sideways. And it's just not doing anything. It's holding the MAs. It's got bullish pressure. We're stacking demands, taking out supplies. Nothing says that we're going down at the moment, really. There is support, but it's shaking the liquidity. It's in the middle of the range. What is it going to do now? Is it going to go up? Is it going to go down? So we're like yesterday, we're trapped in this range. Well, now we're trapped in this range. Best part is we've stepped up one. So the 15-minute entry, again, trapped in here, holding the MAs, bullish pressure. Volume's really dying off now. So coming into the end of Asia session, with new candles about to print now. So new 4 hour candle. So we'll see what comes of Asia close and then London open into USA for Friday. So be careful. Are we going to pump up to 65, something like that over the weekend? You know, we've got another supply up here. We look at the 4 hour. If we break that 64, where's the liquidity? Liquidity's here. So with a higher low, we want a higher high. Where's our higher high going to be? Just here, and then trap us for the weekend with the dump and make a lower low and bust down lower. If it does go lower, what do we got? So if you wanted to short from here, you're at the top of the range. So yeah, well within your rights to be short here, that's for sure. It's the trend. We're in a downward trend. But where's your support? Nowhere. Go to the daily. Come on, trading view. Okay. So next up is 53. If we drop it, but we've got this whole big paddock in here to the upside with liquidity that hasn't been taken in this leg here. And it stopped there. So yeah, liquidity to the downside in this range is taken. Break structure to the downside, downtrend, but all this liquidity still exists. There's still liquidity here, but we're not looking at that yet. We just need to focus on this area within, for instance, there to there for now. So what's that? 73, big ask from 63, but we've seen stranger things happen. And 54 for now. So we don't want to look outside that box right now. We'll just stick with this. So if we do look at what's on this level, there's not much in here. There's a little vector here for it to wick through and get. So I like that and have a look how it looks on the chart. It's a decent short from where it is now. Yep, that's a good short from there. Let's see if it goes down. So we've got a low, a higher low. Like I said, I'm looking for a higher high. I'm currently positioned long. Doesn't mean I'm not going to turn around and change short. I will if I have to. That's what we do. We trade what we see, trade what's in front of us. Now, it started off green with a wick, so maybe I might get my continuation long here. But we've seen 4 hour candles pop up there and close down here in one candle. So be on your toes. We'll go through a few things, but yeah, protect your capital for sure. Let's have a look at NASDAQ. NASDAQ on the 4-hour is still pushing up. All right. It's given a long signal as well, but it's only just coming out of neutral. Sorry, out of bearish into neutral. So we'll see, is it going to turn around and dump tonight? Is it going to keep pushing up after that PPI? If we put a, if we zoom out, you can sort of see that it has its dips. It's had its decent dip. It's had a bigger dip. I haven't heard anything from Uncle Donald today, what he's doing, but that candle has got wicks both sides, so we don't know what's going to happen. Protect your capital, keep it simple. We go to Ethereum. I'm in Ethereum long, but I'm not really liking my chances. This vector here is what's hurting me. And you see on most coins with that pump last night, it swept the liquidity of the highs, and now it's left these vectors here behind. So just as much chance to come back and get it. However, things are just starting to print demand underneath now. So there's Ethereum, Bitcoin, sorry, BNB is stuck in this range. What else was I looking at? Solana is broken structure to the upside. So some coins are green. You'll see the watch list, half green, half red. Some coins are broken structure to the upside in this range. So they've got bullish numbers. They've come back inside the range to get the liquidity. I'm long Solana as well, but still everything's got this here. It's printed the demand. So is that enough support? And this was just taking liquidity. Now we range and find out what's next. Are we dumping? Or are we going up? So we're waiting for a breakout yet again. If you're positioned long from yesterday, awesome. Yeah, go to BNB. So yeah, my bullshit meter. It looks like it wants to roll over, but it did this here, did that there. If it comes back down here, that could be a higher low if it cleans out that vector and goes rocket ships from there. So if there is a bit of downside, there are some coins that has got some work to do. So make use of it, but also look for the bounce in case it holds. Don't have too much else today, but make sure you like and subscribe to the channel, and jump in, have a look at the links down in the description. We've got our free Discord links there. We run a free Zoom for live trading. And I can't encourage our current members enough to get in there and come and introduce yourself. No need to be scared. Don't have to turn your camera on. All you'll see is my chart anyway. I don't have my camera on. If you want to see my ugly head, we can organize it, but I've got a head for radio. All right. So let's keep it simple and protect capital, and we'll do another update probably tonight. So protect your capital, please. And prop traders, even more, protect your capital. I also think Bitfunded's doing another buy one, get one free. Our link's in the description. If you're going to use our links, make sure you join the Discord group because you get heaps of bonuses with it. All right. Have a good one, and we'll catch you on the next one. I'll do another one tonight. Thanks. Bye.